Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do something different. I don't want to get caught up in doing the same on mundane makeup routine videos. So I figured, you know what, let me start with the basics. So I want to do a skincare routine for you guys. My routine that I use daily, that I've been using probably for the past year or so now. I wanted to just kind of share my products with you, how I use them, how I apply them, where they can be purchased at, what they're good for, you know, that kind of thing. But you guys, before we get started, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I want to say hello to my new subscribers, and if you are a current subscriber, you've been watching me for a minute, welcome back. Glad to see you. So yeah, if you want to see how I do my skin, how I take care of my skin, and my skincare routine, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, you guys, so as you know, first things first, the first thing you always want to do is cleanse your face. That's the first step to great skincare. Always cleanse your face. So I'm going to be starting out with the Badescu skincare Botanical facial gel. Okay, and I love this because not only does it smell great, but you know, it's going to remove my oily skin, excess shine, all that kind of stuff with every cleanse. Plus, you know, it has some alpha hydroxy acids in it, and it also helps clear the pores off. What I want to do is I'm going to use my little Clarisonic Mia Fit. Just going to wet my face. I have a little bowl here in front of me, so I'm just going to wet my face a little bit. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on top. A little bit of that. Okay. Turn the baby on. And I'm going to massage the face. And this is enough to cleanse the entire face. Rinse. Want to rinse that off. The next step that I normally do in my skincare routine is apply a mask. These are the 6 masks that I use by Peter Thomas Roth. And I use these all in rotation. I do my mask probably 2 to 3 times a week, right? So, but today I'm going to be using my Rose Stem Cell Mask. What this does is it helps eliminate fine lines and wrinkles. I'm at that age, you guys. I'm 39. I'm going to be 40 in October. So, you know, wrinkles and stuff, that is a concern to me. I want to keep my skin tight. I don't want to look 40. So, you know, I don't think any woman does. This is for maximum anti-aging repair. This product, it's good for regenerating the skin, rejuvenates, hydrates, brightens, firms, and it tones your skin all in one. So this is a great product. I'm just going to take a little brush, and we're going to leave this on for like 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to apply this with one of my little old foundation brushes. I use this brush as my mask brush to apply my mask. So I'm going to take a little bit of product, take it out here, and I start applying it to the face. I'm going to do a nice coat, lightly. You want to make sure too, while you're applying your mask, any kind of, never apply a lot of pressure to your face. Okay, so I got this on. I got my whole face covered. It just feels like a really cool gel. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to let this sit for like 10 minutes. Something someone asked me, there's a young lady that asked me, she was like, what do I do to avoid having dry skin? and getting wrinkles. I said, well, the main thing you want to do is, number one, you want to drink tons of water. Because to be honest with you guys, there's no reason, if you're not drinking water, none of these products, nothing I'm using is going to work. You have to hydrate on the inside as well as the outside. You have to drink tons of water if you want great skin. And water is great for so many things. First thing, it's great for your health. It's great for hair, skin, nails. So water is so important. You have to drink lots of water, first of all. You have to hydrate on the inside. And then at the same time, while you hydrate on the inside, then you know, you want to go ahead and take care of your skin on the outside. And so they both work together, and then you'll get that great skin. My skin has come a long way. I used to have very problematic, acne-prone skin. My skin, I basically looked kind of like a pizza face. I had acne everywhere, and I was constantly picking at my face. I hated my skin. It was just a mess. It's gotten better over the years, and I think maybe they had a lot to do with me just being in puberty or whatever, but I've had some rough days. So one thing that you know I like to do is, you know, always make time, take care of your skin, go the extra mile, do a little extra. Make sure you're getting your facials. Make sure you know, you're keeping up with microdermabrasion, you know, chemical peels. Make sure you're staying on top of that stuff. Even I had to have, after I had my son, my face, my hormones were kind of way out of whack, so I started growing hair like everywhere, so I started getting laser. Getting laser done in my face really improved my skin a lot. Made my skin smoother, made my complexion more even. I don't know what it was that kind of freaked me out, but you know, I love laser. I love microdermabrasion. It took off the old skin, my new skin grew back in. Loved it. Loved it. So those are some of the things that you really want to do. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I left my mask on for 10 minutes. I wiped it off, and you can see my skin's looking kind of ashy and gray around here. It's feeling really tight, really shiny. So next, we're going to go ahead and tone. For my toner, I use my Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner. Okay, and what this does is refine pores, and it diminishes the appearance of dry, fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, and of course it evens out the skin tone. So I'm just going to take a little bit of cotton rounds, and I'm just going to put a little bit of product on there, and I'm going to gently cleanse my face. This also gets off the excess dirt. So I did that. Next, I'm going to be using my Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. So I'm going to take 2-3 pumps of this product. Apply it lightly to my face. And I'm just going to press it in. Next, I'm going to do my number 7 Beautiful Skin Dark Circle Corrector. You have to apply this day and night. And what this does is it's going to try to even out the darkness over time, the dark circles under your eyes. So use a little bit of that. Take my ring finger, and I'm going to rub it in. Hey guys, whatever you miss in the video, I'll list the product below. I think pretty much all of these products I purchased at Ulta, so you can get these from Ulta. They're pretty reasonable. I was told that number 7 is like a sister brand or a more inexpensive brand created by Clinique. And speaking of dark circles, you guys, it doesn't help that I have hyperpigmentation, and plus it's also hereditary in my skin. Like a lot of the women in my family, they have dark under eyes here, and they have these dark spaces here. But I try to fight it as much as I can, you know, by taking care of my skin, drinking my water like I said before, and then treating it. So I try to fight it as much as I can, you know, with good skincare and good products. But another thing that doesn't help me too is that I like to sleep on my stomach and my side, and sleeping on my face. That's not a good thing. So I notice that when I go to sleep and if I wake up, my eyes are really dark underneath because I sleep face down. I don't sleep on my back for some reason. I don't know. I can't. I'm not comfortable. And I think it's kind of weird, but I cannot have good sleep unless I'm on my side or on my stomach. So, hey, what's a girl to do? Then my last product finally is going to be my Mario Badescu Cellufirm Moisturizer. Of course, this is going to keep your skin nice and firm. Going to give you a nice collagen boost. It's going to keep your skin tight with a ton of other anti-aging ingredients. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this on the skin. And I'm going to rub it in. And that, you guys, wraps up my complete skincare routine. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more. I have more videos on the way, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.